'Cause he... Check on him. Check on Daddy.
Mama.
Who slapped me? Somebody knocked me out. Who did it? Who did it? Was it Mama? What happened? Somebody hit me right there and it hurts bad. What happened? What in the world? What's going on? Who hit me in the face? Huh? Do you know, did you see who hit me?
Yeah.
Who did it? Really? Are you gonna help me? You gonna help me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. What's going on? What happened? Why's my face hurt? It stings. Like I just got slapped in the face. Hmm? What's going on? Yeah, my eye hurts. Why? Why?
Trevor, say hey.
Hey.
Bye.
Bye.